Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will share how we use Montessori Movable letter along with Jolly Phonics Group 1 sound to help child begin reading. This lesson is suitable for children around 4.5 till 6 years. Movable letters are individual letters that children use to build words before writing. This helps children focus on hearing and blending sounds and reading words. In Jolly Phonics, Group 1 sounds are S, A, T, E, P, N. These sounds are easy to blend and perfect for first words. First, I say the sound clearly. S, A, T, E, P, N. I do not use letter names. What is the first sound? S. What is the next? A. What is the last? T. S, A, T. Set. Say again. S, A, T. Set. T, A, P. Tap. T, A, P. Tap. The aim of this activity to help child blend sound and build simple word using movable letter. The age 4.5 to 6 years. The most important notes use sounds only, not letter names. Start with simple CVC words and keep the lesson slow and calm. Movable letters combined with Jolly Phonics sounds make early learning joyful and meaningful. Thank you for watching. More Montessori and phonics lessons are coming soon.